Hello Nigerians, welcome back. This is Prosper Chukwu. If you're on my video before, there was a video I uploaded. This was where I stopped on the last one. I talked about on how to register on MMA for new participants. So I will be going shortly on how to provide help and get help in MMA. I'll be using my account. Now let me log into my profile www.mmaoffice.com. So when the page opens, you'll be seeing something like this. You now enter the captcha key there. So the captcha key is saying 10309. Again, it should be 13. If it's not it, try again. Let's check for this. So they say the number you entered is not correct, so you have to refresh. So I will see a clearer one. For the noise. So it has loaded. So this one, I believe this one is not clear. So we'll be entering the code 1683. So let me use my mail. So I'll now go over to my profile. I'll show you how to create help and provide help. Alright, so I enter my password. And that is it. Let me log in. Wow. This is my PO. This is my personal office. We call it personal office. And welcome to my personal office. So if I want to provide help, see the provide help button that you can click, and this is the get help. Let me quickly go to provide help. If you want to provide help, you click here, it will load. Now opens, read the warning and I fully understand the risk. I made decision to participate in MMA. Being of sound mind and memory. So you now checkmate this and click next. When it opens, if you are not in Nigerian, you can choose the kind of currency you want to run with. So you now select Bitcoin. For most of us that have Bitcoin accounts, if you want to use it to participate on pledge, use your Bitcoin X, use your other bank. So I'm using other bank. I'll go to next. And the other bank means like our Nigeria accounts, unlike the Bitcoin. So when it now opens, it's like the network is poor. I'll now pledge the amount I want to register with. So let me say maybe 20,000 Nigerian naira. I click on next to give me a multiple of, and if the rule is that it must be a multiple of 10. So I'll now repeat the amount that I want to pledge with here, same 20,000, and I click on next. So when the page now opens, I now have another platform. So I'm waiting for it. So this is a page that will tell me to enter a captcha key. So I'll enter it accordingly. Wow, N. When I click next, it will now automatically provide help for me. So I don't want to provide any help. Okay, let me click next after I can cancel it because it's not okay. No need to create help. So once you click next, it will automatically provide help, and you see it. Let me cancel now. You now see it here, somewhere here. Like this one, I provided help some times ago, and this 50,000. That's how this one managed to appear. Once I click next on that one, it will now appear here. So if you want to get help, come here likewise and click on get help. It will start loading. Network is quite poor. When it opens, we are having something like this. Sorry. So now select bank, card registration, or if you want to add new account, no need. I'm using my previous account. And I click on next. So when it opens, I have this is my name. So I also click on next. Mm, network is very, very poor. Please have patience. I believe the thing is calculating my possible cash out. So currently, this is what I can cash out from my account now. So this total amount of things saved in next withdrawal is 210. It's not about my savings. So if I want to withdraw everything here, I'll click on all, click on all, click on all. I have 46,000. Wow, this is an awesome amount of money. The thing is actually above 46,000 because it has some kobo behind it, but they won't pay me that kobo. It pays in multiple of 10,000. So when I click next, it will now really cash out my amount. Maximum amount of money for withdrawal is 46,000 six something. You can't give me 604. So they only give me 46,000. It's a multiple of things. So that's how to get help. So when I click next, they will automatically match me within a short period of time. It's not up to like 5 minutes. They will match me with somebody that must have created help somewhere else that is willing to provide help. That's how the system works, and that's how to get help and provide help. The same thing applies to provide help. Once I click on that provide help, it will stay for some time until the system now match me with somebody that is ready to get help. I'm not paying to the person. Thank you for watching my video. This is Prosper Tochko. You're welcome.